I'm Mohamed. I'm an expert battery system engineer working in system complete and electromobility in Volvo. I love batteries. It's what gives me passion to thrive every day because it's one of the newest areas basically in technology, especially in automotive, where there's a lot of problem solving and a lot of thinking involved and applying. The best thing I enjoy about my job is the problem solving, because when we talk about electrical engineering, it's not a new physics. When we talk about mechanical, the same. All the science or the subsystems are typical systems. However, applying them in this automotive application is new. And this means that you need to think differently. And I think it is very, very technology challenging. Every day there's a problem to solve, and that makes me thrive every day. I think it feels like the best place at the moment for me, fully. And the reason is that Volvo is one of the top in terms of sustainability, safety, and also in electromobility at the moment. You can see clearly Volvo's message and the roadmap, which is very clear about how critical electromobility is for all the emissions. So to be in that place and at the same time to be doing what I like technically is a plus. I think I'm really lucky. I think what makes a big difference is that we have a very open environment. I can go and discuss with any engineer, even in the component level details, whenever I want, which is completely transparent. One of the best technical universities that are in Europe in terms of energy and electrical engineering as well is Chalmers, which is based in Gothenburg. There's a lot of collaboration happening between Chalmers and all the big companies that are in Gothenburg, and not only Gothenburg, but even Sweden, which is very good because as an engineer, you also care about application and not just going through theory. As an engineer, you cannot be just putting design on paper. So you need to go through the whole process. And during this process, you need to have testing partners, especially when it comes to batteries. There is some tests you can do in-house, some tests you can do outsourced. And in both cases, I think Gothenburg helps in that because you have a lot of possibilities, especially also that you are close to, for example, many research institutes here that can help with that topic. This is together also with the knowledge or the know-how of the standards, because there are many standards that you need also to discuss with these kind of research institutes. If we talk about applying electromobility in a certain industry, Gothenburg is already ready for that because of the amount of history that is available for automotive. You can see it even not only in Volvo, you can see it in many other companies that are based in Gothenburg, where the possibilities related to electromobility is big. Gothenburg basically is becoming like a sector or a hub for that in an industry as well. Many possibilities. You can see also a lot of testing capabilities happening at the same time, together with some research capabilities. When it comes to the work-life balance, I think especially Sweden is special. Once you decouple, and I'm talking now really decouple, and come back to the same problem, just like you physically have decoupled mentally and physically, you can see it totally from another perspective, and you can see something that you have never thought of before. And that to me makes a huge difference, because also when you are so deep in the details, it's not easy to see these things.